know you're looking for a way to make some extra money online. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to tell you about an easy but real way to make money online that anyone from absolutely anywhere in the world can do, as long as you're patient. You have a chance to earn $100, $400, or even up to $1,000 or more. You don't have to work 9 hours a day, and you can even earn money while you sleep. Make sure to watch the entire video because even if you do know this method, I will be sharing 2 tips that you've never heard before. Welcome to Make Money How-Tos, where we show you real ways you can make money online. Subscribe, and together let's travel to financial freedom. Don't forget that if you have any questions or concerns, you are free to comment down below. Here at Make Money How-Tos, we do our best to reply to every single comment, so comment away. Now the first step is to visit this website called Creative Live. Before we learn how to do this, we first need to know at least a bit about the website we'll be using. So, Creative Live is a website where people from all over the world can learn new skills and knowledge through online classes. There are some free classes, but a majority of them are paid. Don't worry, you won't be paying for anything though. This is a free method, but I'll show you why this matters. So if we scroll up to the top and check classes, we can see a categorized view of all the classes that Creative Live offers. And they have a lot of interesting ones, including entrepreneurship, self-improvement, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and more. Like I said, you won't be spending any money because what we'll be doing is sharing and promoting the classes from Creative Live to people who are actually willing to pay for the classes. And by doing this, you get a percentage of what they pay and earn money yourself. To start, we will need to scroll down here to join their affiliate program. Now, whenever someone purchases a class on Creative Live through your affiliate link, you earn 30% of whatever amount they paid, which is a good deal. Most affiliate marketing websites only give 5% to 15% of revenue share, 25% if you're lucky. So 30% is a very good amount, especially for the value that this website actually provides. It shouldn't be difficult to get at least one sale with all the great classes they have as long as you find and target the right audience. The great thing is that Creative Live also allows us to track our sales, so they're very transparent and you won't need to worry about them not giving you the actual amount of money you've made. You'll be able to see it and track it all. This can also help motivate you to improve your performance in sharing and getting customers. As if all this isn't good enough, the next part is going to amaze you. For the next 30 days, starting from your referral customer's first purchase, whenever they buy another class, you will also continue to earn money. Let me show you an example. Let's say you share this class and successfully get someone to purchase it through your affiliate link. If they check out Creative Live's other classes and see another one that they like and then purchase it, you get money without even needing to do anything at all. This means that you could earn even while you sleep. There is so much earning potential on Creative Live. However, what makes Creative Live unique from other affiliate marketing partners is that they actually have free classes that you can share. You'll see in a moment why this is special. If we go here and click all classes, we'll be able to see all the different types of classes Creative Live has. You can actually pick and choose which one you want to share. The thing is that every time people make online purchases, they always want to make sure it isn't a scam, that it's legit. So by sharing free classes to people, this will get them to see the value and trustworthiness of Creative Live and the class. And then, this in turn increases the chances of them actually making a purchase, in comparison to other affiliate products where the buyer cannot test it for free, which makes it harder to get your first sale. Furthermore, when potential customers click on the class, they will be able to see a video overview of what the class will be like, so they can see whether or not they're really interested. In a way, it's like a video advertisement that will inform and convince the audience about the product. That's another thing that makes this great. You don't have to have any experience in sales because it's not your job to sell the product to people. You simply have to share. The company and its professional website are responsible for being able to get customers to buy. As you can see, people will also be able to have a look at the description of the course or class here on the side. They can even see the number of students that bought the class, the the percentage of people who recommend it, and even reviews from actual people who previously purchased the class, all of which adds social proof to further build trust among potential customers. A little secret: by looking at the reviews, you'll be able to see whether or not this product or class actually sells well. The more positive reviews you see, the better the course is likely to sell, because it's already proven through the people who bought it and enjoyed it. Another reason why this method is great is because a lot of people stay at home these days during the pandemic and can get bored. In fact, many during the pandemic have previously said that they've started learning new skills, and people who have money will be more than willing to pay for a class that can provide them value as they learn their desired skill or improve themselves over quarantine. Now you might be wondering, so how do we get people to see our links? Well, we have 5 options, and watch carefully because later on I will give you a free script example that you can just copy-paste or simply replicate to help you get more clicks and increase your chances of earning. Because if you don't say it right, your message will come across as annoying or spammy to people, which will stop them from clicking your link. Each social media platform I'm about to share you has its own benefits. If you want more traffic coming to your links, go for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But the thing is that it will take you more time and effort until you get thousands of views and clicks. Although the good thing about this method is that you will end up building a community where you can share anything else in the future and profit from that too. However, if you want to spend less time on work and just want to earn some extra income, then use Twitter and Quora. The good thing about these two is that the audience you share your link to will be incredibly targeted. They will be people who are actually interested in the topic of the class. This means there's a higher possibility of them making a purchase. First, let's talk about YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If you're taking this route, what you need to do is to cut video parts based on the topic of the class you want to promote. Let's say it's about entrepreneurship. What you can do is cut interviews of successful business owners and entrepreneurs, Elon Musk, for example. Take the best and most motivational parts out of the interviews or footage you find, and then upload these videos to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. You choose which one you want to use. You can even use all of them to achieve better reach. And then share your creative live affiliate link in your video's description. If you're using Instagram or TikTok, put it on your profile bio. Here's an example. If you do this consistently every day for months or even a year, you will get thousands of views and clicks in no time. Now let's talk about Twitter. If you don't already know, Twitter is free and you can easily sign up and make an account. Before you start tweeting your affiliate link to people though, post a few tweets. Make them realistic, or better yet, provide value. This way, when people whom you've shared your link to check your account, they won't mistake you for a bot and just ignore you. If they check your profile and see that all your tweets are just replies with links, people will not trust you and will not click your link. Once you've posted a few tweets, you can start searching using keywords related to the class you chose to promote. For example, maybe you want to promote classes on Adobe Illustrator. So let's search. As we can see here, there are actually a lot of people who want to learn how to use Adobe Illustrator, but don't know where to start, so taking a class would be perfect for them. Here's an example of what you can reply. As for Quora, what we'll be doing will be similar to the Twitter method. Again, sign up for an account, it's all free, and then search. Quora is a place where people can ask questions and answer questions. So what you will be doing here is answering the questions of people who are interested in Adobe Illustrator. But please, again, make sure to provide value. While you don't need to make posts before replying, as we did on Twitter, you do need to provide value in your answers. Don't just paste your link. Say something helpful. This will show people you are genuine and not just someone who's using them to earn money. And please do be genuine. We can be helpful and still earn money. Don't you agree? This method with Creative Live is very effective, but it does take some time and effort. Again, I will have to tell you that easy money doesn't exist. Work always needs to be put in, especially in the beginning. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.